Hello, hello, hello! On this episode, we take you to Acqua Restaurant, Bangkok.
Hey! Nice to see you again. Nice seeing you.
To try out food from this man, Italian celebrity chef Alessandro Frau. We tried his food many times before at his old restaurant in Phuket and as visiting guest chef in Bangkok. You're invited to join us in this spectacular meal. Before we see the food, let's have a tour at this new restaurant. It's very beautiful with glasses everywhere. There's even a tree inside the main dining space. And if you're into wines, the wine cellar here is one of the most extensive wine cellars I've seen in a standalone restaurant. They have all the Italian regions and well sought after wines from around the world. There is an open kitchen. I like to come here to see what the chefs are doing. They all look very busy. Now let's see what Chef Alessandro recommends.
Title on the menu is memories and after, because all the dish I create on the menu comes from my memories living in Italy, in Sardinia, and after living there, I work in London, I work in Paris, I work in Thailand. So after my life in Sardinia, I learn new things, I learn new ingredients, new cooking techniques, new culture. So based on that, I put a bit of my memories and my new experiences. So in this menu, you have everything together.
We start with premium olive oil and balsamic vinegar with homemade focaccia and Costa Molino Vermentino from Sardinia. Crisp, dry, refreshing with tropical fruits notes. There's 3 amuse-bouche. There's a sequence to try this, starting with light to the most intense. Broad bean toast, mini ice cream cone tuna. The orange top is roasted capsicum, inside filled with creamy tuna. 3 flavor crackers, olives, salami, and parmesan. This dish is called Sicily meets Japan. Sicilian red prawns and Japanese amiabi prawns, served with smoked mozzarella, salmon roll, sea urchin sauce, and squid ink sea asparagus oil. Trying these 2 prawns side by side is a great experience. It's so good I had to clean the plates with focaccia. Vanica Sauvignon from northern Italy. Bold, dry, with notes of citrus, grapefruits, and honey. This is not just a pasta dish. The pasta is made of squid in the form of tagliatelle, marinated in mint and extra virgin olive oil, topped with Siberian caviar and kuka melon. The squid had a beautiful umami taste and an appealing chewy texture. Sardinian smoked eel, served with pickled vegetables and white balsamic vinegar. Being an eel, I thought it would be very fishy and slimy, but not at all. It was very pleasant, firm, and refreshing. The wine to pair with the next dish is Colem Bovale, complex notes of dark fruits, chocolate, with a long finish.
My father used to take me to pick the snails.
Okay.
The day after of the mushroom come out in the sun, And then we go for the mushroom again in the countryside. And when we go in the countryside, we see the farms and all these animals, ducks, sheep. This is why I put them together: snails, mushrooms, and foie gras.
This menu is inspired by Alessandro's childhood memory. It's called Countryside on a Rainy Day. Seasonal wild mushrooms, risotto, foie gras, and snails. That's a beautiful dish to look at and taste just as good. Taste-wise, it's very warm and comforting. The mushroom risotto was flavorful on its own. The foie gras and the snails elevates it even more. Burrata tortelli with Wagyu beef cheeks ragu, sous vide for 72 hours with fresh black truffles and Parmigiano Reggiano fondue and topped with 25 years aged balsamico. That's a pricey little bottle. First you get the appealing scent of the truffles. The tortelli was firm, the beef cheek had an intense beefy flavor. Usually this would be good enough, but here they add a cheesy fondue. And topping it off with sweet aged balsamic, it's an explosion of flavors. For the main, there were two choices of fish or pork. Luckily, we tried one of each. Mediterranean red mullet, oregano from Pentoria Island, sprinkled at the table. The red mullet was lightly battered and pan-fried to perfection, served with sweet cherry tomatoes, olives, and capers, and a flavorful buffalo mozzarella sauce. The aroma of the oregano set the mood to really want to try this, and once you had all the ingredients together, it was very appealing. This beautiful wood-fired roasted suckling pig, the sauce was made from its own juice, served with two types of potatoes, violet and saffron. I was already full here, but having the first bite kept me going to finish the whole plate. Mossolino Moscato, a sweet sparkling wine from the Asti region. Paired with milk semifreddo, a combination of ice cream and mousse, with milk gelato, foam, and gelatin. The simple flavor of milk was enhanced and done so well with many textures. The Petite Four is a showcase of the chef's childhood memory. Donuts filled with pistachio cream. Crackling sugar beignet, vanilla custard, and crackling almonds. Mini Sicilian cannoli. This meal shows us a lot of creativity, a lot of good ingredients, a lot of good food, and most importantly, the passion from Alessandro, how he brings all his experience to show in each menu.